traders, Sam Shakespeare coming to you live. How's everyone doing today? Happy Tuesday. But anyway, let's get on to the situation at hand. We do have 1 minute trend trades on pound dollar, pound yen. But I mean, I say we got to try these things for the love. But we just got to make sure we're turning down. So see how we're in a straight line across like now? Basically it's consolidating. So I want the price to break out of this area to the downside before shorting. Otherwise I'll just let it go up. Alright, so we get down here, I'll short probably both of these things. Okay, alright, I'm back and I'm starting to see these things curl already. I'm probably gonna have to try this one. I am. Hey Les, how's it going? Mia, what's happening? I didn't see you there. How you doing, guys? There we go. Okay, I'm in short at 25 on pound yen. 1 minute trend, clear roads down, and we're started to get the move lower. So I do like pound dollar as well. In fact, if dollar yen bounces to the upside, then pound dollar may be the one to go. Now we don't have a lot of protection, so I'm probably gonna have to use the full 15 pip stop on this trade, on these trades, because they're 1 minute trends. Because what's the high right here? About 35-ish, and we're in at 25. So I mean, I could probably get rid of less than a 15 pip stop, but probably let's let it work. And also, I like this pound dollar. I almost want to do both of them, to be honest. It's hard not to. But let's just do one for now, because both of them require a large stop because they're so stretched out. So I'm going to use the full 15 pip stop. I have to on a trade like this. That's the thing about the 1 minute trends. You have to be prepared to use a bigger stop. And this is 6 minutes away. We got manufacturing sales, building permits. I mean, they're not crazy news releases. I probably wish that I just let's see what happens here. And we got clear roads. I feel like we should just stick with it. Alright, let's go. I mean, you almost want to just take this down to big figure. It looks like that's where our roadblock, our next roadblock is. The VTA will take us out at the next roadblock, as long as we're up by 20 or 15 or 20. I think it's 20. Yeah, really, we should have took both of these, but it's okay. All right, let's see. You know, it might pull back up a little bit, but again, you know, we got the clear roads, so you really don't want to get out. You know, will it go down in a straight line? Probably not. It'll probably bounce around a bit. But once we start traveling lower, we should continue. Now this is a bit of a lower low, so depending on how violent this upturn is, that's a pretty big candle. It hasn't closed yet though. You know, even this is a lower low, so it's probably just pulling back to the 1 minute box. Alright, we're back at the 1 minute boxes. Obviously, you know, we came all the way back. That's not something you normally want to see. I think I still want to try this cable. Alright, I mean, it's a little funny looking, but it does have some straight line support there. Alright, here comes the news release too, so yeah, it looks like the news release was somewhat positive for risk. Also, guys, I got to tell you, the 1 minute trend picked up another 100 pip trade last night, so that's our sweet 1 minute trend that I'm gonna that will be as part of the first release. It's the one that's been doing really well. It went through a little bit. I mean, all trades are going to go through a little bit of a losing phase, but it does stuff like this where it'll pick up a 100 pip trade here and there. Yeah, right as I got in this, it turned the other way. That's okay. We're still set up for another run to the downside. We got clear roads. Maybe I don't hold out for a new low this time. You know, seeing it kind of went down, then pulled right back up into the consolidating range. So not a good move there. You want it to take new ground. A trend should go lower, a lower low, but then take new ground. It kind of pulled back up to the same spot there. But still, if we got clear roads lower, it's not going to take much more to get these things down. All right, let's go. Now we really want it to, it's moving quick. That's good. It's clear roads. Whenever the roads are clear like this, you're going to see the movements be a lot faster, you know, than when you're all locked up in boxes and stuff. The movement gets quite slow. The equity markets in the States open up, so I mean, there's still a lot of market left. A lot of market left. Come on. There we go. This is lower low territory. Get down there. Alright, maybe I'll take half off of this one just to get something. Come on. I'll regroup. I'm just going to get out of it. I'll think about it again. We're at the 1 minute boxes. Shoot. I should not have got that out. I didn't want it to fly back on me. Alright, and that might just give it another second, but let's get out. Alright, I'll take some pips. Let me clear my template.